Hi, Lou from Lou's Garden Farm Equipment. I'm here. I'm going to do some more evaluation of weeding tools. I'm using, this is called Mytilla 2 from AGP, Italy. And what it is, it's a little, you see that? Harrow that attaches to your weed whacker, grass trimmer. It works pretty good. I'll give you a demonstration in a minute or two. My concern is how much stress does this actually put on the machine? So before I carry this, I do want to see if it uses up a weed trimmer. It's recommended at least 1 horsepower. This EFCO is the 2400 series. Let's get that there for you. And that is a 1.2, so it should work fine on it. Like I said, it does work fine. I've used it a number of hours, but my hesitation is what it does to the clutch and transmission. Anyway, we'll give you a quick demo. Get this going. A little heavier. A lot of times I can do a trimmer with one hand. I guess I wasn't focused on there, so I can get it on the other side here. It actually works pretty good. Let's going to move it over to another spot here where we have rows. Like I said, this does make the unit a little heavy, so it's better with 2 hands, but I'll try it with 1. And this part here is pretty flat. See what's packed there. Have a lot more control with 2 hands. So this is once like this, which is quite packed, and now I have to get somebody to help me with a video, my next one on this, but yeah, it really does loosen the soil. You can even use it as just if you have a really small garden, it would work fine just tilling a small garden as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Catch you next time.